hello LinkedIn community, back again, and this time with data integration and analysis project. In this project we will follow this workflow. Firstly, I will have some data in MySQL database, structured data of course, and by using Apache Sqoop, means on batch mode, I will transfer the data from MySQL database to Hive tables as the data warehouse solution in this project. But basically the data will be stored in HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. Then we will do some analysis using Hive QL, similar to SQL by the way, and finally connect Power BI to Hive for data visualization and build in the dashboard. And by the way, this is the dashboard that I will develop at the end of this project. So let's get started. So as you see, we have the data in MySQL database, and we can check by using this SQL statement. Select from mobile data, and this is the data in MySQL. Let's open the command line as administrator and let's start the Hadoop cluster. Firstly, start DFS for start the distributed file system. Then start yarn for the resource management, and we can check that by using this command, GPS command. Node manager, name node, data node, and resource management for yarn. So before we use the Hive tables, we should start the Apache Derby server for the Hive Metastore, and we can do that by using this command. But before, let's open a new command line as administrator. And let's now type start network server /0.0. As you see, the Apache Derby server is started successfully. Now it's time to start Apache Hive. Before, let's open a new command line as administrator, as always. And type Hive. So it's start successfully. We can see the databases we have by these statements. Show databases. We have the default databases, each tables, mobile DB database. Let's open now a new command line as administrator, of course, and we will now transfer the data from MySQL to Hive tables by using Apache Sqoop command. We'll use this command, Sqoop import connect, and provide the driver, and this is the database name in MySQL. Provide the username, the password also, and also some information about the destination, which is Hive tables in our case. So let's copy that and paste it here. Now let's connect Hive to Power BI for building the dashboard. So for that, let's open the Power BI software and click here, get data, obtenir les données, and search on HDFS. And click so connect or connect, and provide the server name, localhost, and now let's import the data to Power BI. Transformer les données, and here is the data. Now you can build the dashboard. I will let you do that because I already did, and here is the final result, and we can use that for data analysis. For example, if we take Samsung brand, we can see the total of phones we have and also some other information, but I will let you explore it by yourself. So that's all, and I hope you find it inspiring and clear, and thank you for watching.